good morning, ladies and gents. Hayan po. At malamig na morning na naman po dito sa England. At October na tayo and it's 11 degrees. Hayan po. At ako'y maaga today. It's about train all day. It's all about training today, guys. So, hope you're all okay. And saan man po kayo dito sa mundo, welcome at napadaan kayo sa aming channel at Simply Smith Family. Ayan po, nandito ako naman sa sasakyan. Ang inyong lola ay papunta sa training. But this time, the training is at least an hour away. So, magte-train kami ni Mama Rena. So, sabi nila, pumunta ka na lang sa bahay at i-drop off mo yung sasakyan dito, sasakyan mo. Tapos ihatid na lang tayo ni Uncle Charles sa train station. Dahil guys, dito kasi sa train station namin, may bayad pag iiwan mo yung sasakyan. So sabi nila, huwag ka na magbayad, iwan mo na dito yung car mo. So yan po ang plano for today. Yeah. So I need to be there 7:15 kila Mama Rena. And then sa train station naman ang aming train aalis ng 7:44. O, diba? At medyo malamig na at talagang hinanap ko na yung mga winter clothes ko. 11 degrees but it feels colder than 11, guys. Yan, sana nasan man kayo, I hope you're all okay. At day off naman itong mas today, so siya ang in charge sa mga bata.
Railway. First stop is
8:47.
Please note this train may be delayed or instituted in diverses.
Busy na
First
kami.
stop is train for the door.
Baba na kami. Nahabol namin yung train namin, guys. Ayan, nakawalating na tayo sa Birmingham International. Ayan na po ang ating train station. We made it! Though there were delays, pero at least nakarating tayo ng maayos and nahabol pa rin natin yung mga ano. So we're going to NAC na, guys. Tara, let's! Birmingham. Diba may mga dumadayo din galing Europe, other countries, hindi lang UK, diba?
Wala. Ano yung mga sa isang curse kasi.
Ayan, guys. Tara na at mag-collect na ng mga freebies. Ay na si Mama Rena. Parang hindi nilalamig. Parang hindi ka nilalamig. Ano to? 11 degrees, diba? O 7 degrees. Tingnan niyo po ang aking kasama. Hindi nilalamig. Parang summer. Naka-summer. Samantalang ako, balot na balot. Marioso. Ayan na po. Tara, let's. Ayan. Tara, let's go. Tara na, mag-collect na tayo ng mga kanik-kanik. What's that? 10%. Ayan Ayan guys, ang dami na nating nakuha. Ito na. Ito is perfect for the kids. I will show everything sa inyo kung anong mga nadagdag ko, yung mga nakuha ko.
Girls having a free heart eye screening in 3 minutes.
And guys, pagka may mga asthma kayo, ayan, perfect itong company na to.
Always what comes in. But I think really sort of looking at the broad well, so that it's a well recognised.
Kumusta mama, pagod ka na? Napapagod ako sa'yo, ang bagal mo. Mabagal daw siya. Siyempre, ina-absorb ko lahat ng nakikita ko. Ayan guys, mina tayo ng drinks at napagod na kami kakalikot at kakalisten ng mga training.
Sa Devon
Mga social na stethoscope man. Oh, diba? Oh my goodness.
sponsor ko sa Majestic.
Oo. Kasi, and guys, libreng kape.
Hindi na nga ang tao,
diba?
tao ngayon. Last year, hindi kayo
puno-puno. Magkakaya. Bakit ang konti na ngayon?
Wala, hindi masyadong tao. Kahit kahapon, hindi masyadong tao.
Ayan guys, may hot chocolate na tayo. Ayan. Ito naman guys, they are recruiting doctors here from UK. So if you're a physician, ayan. They are actually here to recruit. Sorry!
You wanna get a picture?
You guys, look at the size of this. Oh, look. Ang dami na tayong movies. Look at that, guys. Mayroong headset. Ay, grabe, guys. Nakaka-overwhelm. Ang dami-daming products, companies. Ah. Ito guys, may mga trainings dito, respiratory skills theater. Ito naman sa may respiratory clinical theater, dun tayo. And ay grabe, nakaka-overwhelm na guys. Ang dami-daming companies here, all related to medical, primary care o secondary care. Asan na si mama? So anything. Ayun, pasok na tayo sa may ayan guys, lunchtime na at meron pang free lunch. So another course na naman tayo. Again, it's related to clinical respiratory clinical care
At the same time.
At the same time, so these are about the updates in asthma management for adults and children 6+. So, weekend pa po guys, free lahat yan. I will share as much as I can yung mga information na hopefully will benefit you, lalo na po may kids and adults na merong asthma.
And today we will be talking about, and then the additional inhalation is taken for relief of symptoms. So suspected asthma now is really we should try.
Counts. Your patient, your young patient with diarrhea and vomiting.
Ayan o, giant inhaler. Sino? Ang dami. Nakaka-overwhelmed guys sa dami ng mga companies. From inhalers to basta madami.
We have done historically. Feeling that you've got no energy. No amount of CBTI that is going to somebody whose biology doesn't want them to go to bed if they have behaviors around there, because a lot insomnia is the most.
Hang on, go. Top left. Top right. That's good. That's good.
What's my score?
31.
That's not bad.
That's not bad, is it? There you go.
Ayan guys, uwian na. Ang dami naming nakuha mga freebies. We've learned so much today. At I like it guys, and it's shiny. It's at end of the day, shiny siya. Kaya ayusin na namin yung mga luggage namin kasi this is just one of them guys. And look at my bag. And then look at that guys, sa dami ng aming mga. I'm coming. Oh mama, can you get mine please? I've got my paper. Tignan yung run to guys, meron pa mga teddy bear. So dito may mga recruitment agencies, even from local, let's say Devon, Canada. They're here to recruit people, especially doctors. They're actually in need. Ayan guys, look at my heart. Oh, diba? Perfect ito sa mga stress reliever. Oh, diba? Ayan, 3 bags na lang ako, pero I can make out 2 bags. O, diba? Pero very informative, very helpful. Talaga nang ma-enhance yung mga knowledge mo about respiratory, primary care, meron din secondary. Basta madami, as in madami. Ayan, ang dami na. Ayan guys, oh, ang dami namin na iuwi. Ay, isa-isahin ko siya. Ilalagay ko siya sa... So, thank you very much NEC Birmingham and Best Practice. We had a lovely, lovely day. care show. The care show. Bye! Oh yan, tara na sa airport. Tara na. Ayan guys, oh. Tara na sa airport. Birmingham International Station. So we'll get this one. So we're going 1641.
1641 has left.
Ayan, nauhaw na naman ang aking kasama. Gusto niya ng cold drink. Doon naman yung pinuntahan namin guys. Sobrang free lahat. Food, drinks, name it. Sweets and everything. So in here is a cafe. Where is this going, Mama? So itong train na ito is sa Navanti West Coast guys. Papunta siya sa Birmingham New Street. My life is empty without you daw, sabi ng lift. Bye-bye! Paalis na ito. Puntang Birmingham New Street. Ay, wala na. I thought the color is... Ay, this is the same. Pride. Oo nga, no? Colorful. Ang haba. Ang ganda. Hanggang doon. Ang layo. Sabi ni si William at Ben, Mami, si Ben ang hindi pa nakaka-train. Ay, nako, my God. Pag naka-train si Ben, ay, nako, grabe. Mami, look! Train! Chuchu! Ganon yun. Pero si William, naka-train na yon. Pero maliit pa siya noon.
Hindi pa niya malala masyado yun.
Ayan, bye-bye. Saan to papunta? Glasgow? Glasgow Central. Coventry. Ano to? Puntang Scotland, Mama?
Yes.
Ano yung Glasgow? Glasgow Central.
Diba yung ano yan? Papuntang south. May Glasgow na south.
Ayan, bye-bye. So hopefully the next one will be ours. Tumahimik.
Delayed na, ano? Next
Hala,
one.
sobrang delayed naman.
Dito mo gagaling.
16:51 na. Ayan guys, there's a delay with our train papuntang yung train papuntang Manchester Piccadilly. So pinalipat kami ng platform. So sabi, platform 1 and then we ended up platform 2. Buti lang may lift, no? Kasi ang dami naming dala, pero at least merong elevator. No, elevator, tama. Lift kasi ang tawag nila dito pagka may elevator. So we're waiting for our train. Pero ito guys, papunta siya sa... Where is this going, Mama? Pantang Llandudno? Sa Wales?
From London.
From Llandudno. Llandudno daw, how to pronounce it. Llandudno is Llandudno.
Double L, it's a Welsh. Pag double L,
ayan ang train namin. It's here, puntang Manchester Piccadilly. Aba, si Manong operator. Ay, operator. Si Manong para. Did you say para? Si Manong conductor. Si Manong conductor ang panpa. Ayan, we arrived safe and sound. Eto, paalis na ang train namin. So, papunta na sila sa Manchester Piccadilly at kami, nandito na kami. Bye, train. Ang lamig, guys. Ang lamig. Ayan, guys. Kailangan akong mag-jacket kasi ang lamig. Ayan, nag-CR si Mama Rena. At ako'y naman na nanginginig. Ay, saan ang exit? Ah, sa kabila. Sa kabila ang exit. Tapos susunduin kami ni Uncle Charles. O, diba? So, siya. Meron kaming sundo. Tapos mag-drive na ako pa uwi. Ay, gutom na ako. At ang Tomas, guys, nagluto ng sinigang. Excited naman ako. Excited naman ako uwi kasi kakain ako ng sinigang. Nakatulog ako.
And Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class accommodation is at the rear of the train.
On platform 1. Customers are advised that the train now arriving at platform 1 is not for public use. This train too, as you can see here, has no contract.
Yeah, we're here na. Nakarating na tayo. You can tell I'm in a different car because it's nice and clean. It's way bigger.
Wow!
Ah, diba? Social ang saksakin nila Mama Rena. Oh.
When I dropped you off, very, very
Yeah?
the smallest.
car. Thank you very much, Uncle Charles, for giving me a lift. Kasi minsan guys, it's hard to like mag-park doon at yun, nakasave naman kami kasi hindi na daw ako magpa-park doon sa train station. Pero I didn't really mind kasi sabi ko para hindi ko na sila madistorbo. Pero sabi niya, no, you just come and park your car in here kasi daan ko na lang kayo ni Rena, sabi naman niya. So, kaya yan guys. So, eto, the car is, I'm back in the car now at pauwi na tayo and I'm so excited for sinigang! Okay, so there is a 15-minute. Tingnan natin. Diyos ko, ang lamig! 13 degrees daw pero malamig naman. It feels colder. Ayan guys, dito na lang tayo. Doon sa train, mainit. Paglabas namin sa train station, nako, ang lamig na. Grabe naman ang mga pothole dito. Mariosep. Ayan guys, I hope you're okay. Ay nako, ang ating mga pothole. Dong. Ang lalalim naman ng mga butas ng kalye dito. Mariosep. Ayan guys, thank you for dropping by sa channel na naman natin at I will inform you and I'll share with you the freebies that I've got and then I can give it away as well sa mga kakilala na malapit. Kung malapit din ko kayo dito guys, well, i-send sa inyo, o diba? So, grabe, ikaw ang magsasurrender kasi hindi mo na mabuhat yung mga freebies. May mga karamihan na nakuha ko, mga notepad at mga ballpen, may mga mug, may mga drinking bottles, may mga creams, may mga nasal sprays, lanyard, kakatawa. Parang sabi ko, parang Christmas kasi ang daming free. Ayan. Ayan guys, anong oras na? 6:44 PM. So talagang madilim na siya, autumn. Kailan ba ang winter? Ayan, parang feeling ko start na ng winter guys kasi we're wearing our winter clothes na. Kailangan na ng gloves in the morning. So tomorrow I'm back to work. Ayan, long day ako tomorrow. So hopefully the shift will be okay. At ayan, I hope it will be quick. I hope mabisi ang mabilis. Mabilis ang araw. Si Tomas naman guys, nagluto daw ng sinigang, and yung mga, as soon as he managed to collect the kids, ayun, nag-chill time na sila, kumain. Olivers! Grabe guys, ang daming mga freebies from wet wipes, lanyards, lip balm. So these are the companies who provided and sponsored the event for today. The best practice, respiratory, general practice. There you go, these are the companies. Very informative. Nag-enjoy kami pero grabe, ma-overwhelm ka sa dami ng mga sabi nila hindi daw masyadong madaming tao, pero for me madami na yun for me. Pero mas marami daw mga couple of years. And then yesterday, this one, may tatlong binigay. The Pharmacist Network. And then we have Sleepio. Ayan, ang dami nila. Chanel. Mahal yan guys. Pero antibac. Pens. And then this. Ito. Mga nasal spray. Dry noses for kids and adult. We have pulse oximeters as well. And wet wipes. Alcohol wipes. And then we have plasters, and then ano ba to? Mini first aid kits, notebooks, and then loads of bags. I have mugs, and then these are the mga papers, the information papers. Pwede ito pang scrape sa windscreen pag nag-i-snow. Ayan guys, naka-tidy up na ako at mag-ready na ako for tomorrow.